Tired of sharing your victory royale crown? Let's dive into how to seamlessly switch accounts on Fortnite PC, so you can keep your stats separate and your gameplay uninterrupted. Alright, first things first, launch Fortnite and wait until you're at the main lobby screen. You'll see your character standing there, ready for action. Now, look to the top right corner of your screen. You should see 3 horizontal lines, often referred to as the hamburger menu. Go ahead and click on those lines. A menu will pop down. In this menu, you're going to want to find and click on Settings. It's usually represented by a gear icon. Once you're in the Settings menu, navigate to the Account tab. It might be labeled with your username or a profile icon. Scroll down all the way to the bottom of the account settings page. Keep going until you see the Logout button. Found it? Great. Click on the Logout button. A confirmation prompt will appear, asking if you're sure you want to log out. Confirm by clicking Yes or Log Out. You'll now be taken back to the Epic Games Launcher login screen. Here, simply enter the email address and password for the account you want to switch to, and click Sign In. And that's it. You've successfully switched accounts on Fortnite PC. Now you can jump back into the game with your other profile and keep racking up those wins. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more Fortnite tips and tricks.